Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everybody, how do you do? In this video, I will explain a matter about a system of linear regression of two variables. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Indira Bina Hakim. Now I am undergraduate student majoring in mathematics education at UIN Jakarta. My identity number is 1119017000023. I hope this video can be useful for all of you who watch this video. Alright, let's get started. First, we'll talk about the definition of two-variable linear equation system. Two-variable linear equation system is a system of equation or relation in the form of the same as in algebraic form, which has two variables and the power of 1, and when depicted in a graph, it will form a straight line. Look at this picture. So we can see this graph has a straight line from this to here. We can say this is a point A and this is a point B. If we connect the point A to the point B, it will create a straight line like this. So, and because of this equation is called a linear equation. Two-variable linear equation system characteristic. There are three characteristics of two-variable linear equation system, including: first, using the equal signs relation. Second, has two variables. And third, both variables have a degree of 1. Term of two-variable linear equation system can have one solution. The term of a two-variable linear equation system can have one solution if there are more than one or two linear equations of two similar variables. Second, linear equation of two variables that form a system of linear equations of two variables, not linear equation of the same two variables. Method of solving a two variables system of linear equation. To solve how to calculate a system of linear equations with two variables, it can be solved by the following four methods. The first method named substitutions, and the second named elimination, the third combinate, and the fourth is graphic. But in this video, I will only explain the elimination system, elimination, and the substitution methods. So I will give you a question. Yesterday, Kevin buy a pen and 3 pencils, and he have to pay $5. Then today his brother bought 2 pens and 2 pencils for $6. His brother bought the same pencil and pen at the same shop that Kevin bought yesterday. Kevin wants to know how much a pen and a pencil cost. Help Kevin to find the price of those pencils and pens. In this problem, we will use the substitution methods. So from the question, we have that the first equation is x plus 3y is equal to 5, and the second equation is 2x plus 2y is equal to 6. We know that the pen is x as x and the pencil as y. So using the substitution method, we can get the value of a pen and a pencil. The first step is we can change one of the equations. Find the easiest one. In this case, I will check the first equation. So I will get the value of x is equal 5 minus 3y. After this, we will substituting the value of x to the second equal. So we get that 2 times 5 minus 3y plus 2y is equal to 6. 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times minus 3y is minus 6y, plus 2y is equal to 6. We'll calculate the variable first, so we get that minus 4y is equal to Don't forget the coefficient. We will less the both side with 10, so it's 10 less 10 is 0 and 6 less 10 is minus 4. So we can divide the both side with minus 4. We get the value of y is 1. After this, we can substituting the value of y to the other equation. So when the is 1, I will choose the first equation is x plus 3 times 1 because we know that the value of y is 1 equal to 5. So x plus 3 times 1 is 3 is equal to 5. Let's the both set with 3, so we get that the value of x is equal to 5 less 3 is 2. So we know that the the price of the pen is $2 and the price of the pencil is $1. Next, the question number 2. Twice Monica's x minus Nia x is 28 years. If Monica x is reduced by 3 times Nia x is 6 years, 16 years, how old are Monica and Nia? In this problem, we will use the eliminating method. So from the question, we have that the first equation is 2m minus n. M is Monica, we know as m, and Naya we know as n, is equal to 28. And the second equation is 2m minus 3n is equal to 16. Okay, in this case, the first step is to determine which variable will be eliminated first. This time we will eliminate n first, so that we can find the value of n. Let's the both side, and we will get that value of 2n is equal to 12, and divide the both side with 2, we will get the value of n is 6. Okay, after this we will find out the value of n. The value we just discovered the value of n. So the next step is we will find the value of m. I will rewrite the equation. So m minus n is equal to 28, and 2m minus 3n is equal to 16. Because we want to find the value of n, so we have to less the value of n to 0. I will what is it named? I will multiply the first equation with 3 and the second equation with 1, so we will check that the value of n is 3n, so we can less the both of side with 3n, so we will check the value of n. First we will calculate first the 2n times 3 is 6m minus 3n is equal to 28 times 3 is 84, and the second equation is same as the first, so 2m minus 3n is equal to 16. We will less the both sides, so we get that the value of m is 4m is equal to 68. We can divide the both side with 4, so we get the value of m is 17. So we know that the age of Monica is 17 years old, and the Naya age is 6 years old. Okay, that's the discussion of the matter about the two-variable linear regression system that I can give. If you have any question, you can write them in the comment column. And thank you very much for watching this video. See you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.